One of the quickest and easiest ways to get baby to fall asleep is swaddling. In today's episode, I want to take you behind the scenes and show you one of my favorite simple swaddles that not only settles baby, it photographs beautifully. Hello and welcome. If we have not met, I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I inspire, empower, and educate photographers just like you to hone their craft, to learn photography, editing, lighting, business, to create a life and business that they are passionate and excited about. So in today's episode, I want to show you a very simple swaddle that I use for almost every single session. It's really how I start every session with every baby. So I bring them into the studio, I get them naked, I get them almost ready to roll, and I usually keep diaper on for these, just not to stain blankets. Sometimes I take diaper off. It's totally up to you if you are into doing the full naked poses for baby, obviously covering their bits, or you're using outfits. So without further ado, come with me behind the scenes to show you a very simple swaddle that's going to help you set your sessions up for success. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take this square baby blanket and I'm going to put it on the diagonal. We're going to take the top corner and just fold it down. Next step will be taking little baby, putting them in there, taking one side, taking arm and placing down and folding over baby, and then tucking just under baby's upper torso. You next place the side arm just right beside and then fold over and tuck behind. I'm going to show you a second variation as well. We start basically from the exact same point of having the blanket on the diagonal with the corner folded down. We're going to take baby's arm and place it beside them, tuck just under, and then instead of having both arms in, we're going to tuck under the arm, back around the torso, and then folding the other corner back on over around baby. See, wasn't that easy? Now your homework is to go grab a doll and start practicing that easy swaddle so you've got it nailed for your next newborn session. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel because every week I will put up a new video and you don't want to miss a single trick, tip, or tutorial. And if you have not already downloaded the free posing guide, you're going to want to do that, and make sure you look in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I will see you in the next episode.